Hi to everyone, guys, in a new video. Today I'm a little bit unusual place. I'm at the beach because this is Saturday and fantastic time to visit the beach. But today I'm not alone. I took my laptop because I want to speak with you about MQL5 website. Let us check this website and I'll show you my updates regarding signals, which one I subscribed, for which one I cancel my subscription, and because a lot of interesting stuff happened during these 2 weeks, we need to discuss that. This place, by the way, it's called Kite Beach, is very popular in Dubai. There are a lot of the people every time, but because the weather in Dubai is still hot, I know it is like middle of October, but still it's very hot. But then maybe after 2 months it will be very difficult here to find the parking in the weekend days. So I need to find some more quiet place with some shadows and we'll start our conversation. So let's start everything in a quick way because I don't have too much time. I'm still on the roaming, so I need to do everything in the quick way. I want to start from some words, and like I was in one conference and there I saw like big slogan and it was mentioning stop loss, taking profits. And it's really true, you know. In the local situation, if you will take the stop loss, if you will put a stop loss in your every deal, in the end you will close your position in plus. Why I'm telling you like that? Because 22 of April, like 22, it almost like 6 months ago, I was telling you about one signal calling Northeast Way that was one of the most popular in MQL5 website, and I was telling you that this is not good signal at all. I was giving you explanation why, because it's using martingale, it was very hard system because of that. Then I made one more video about this signal. I received a lot of the critics from my subscribers. They were telling me why you are telling like that, this signal trading for a long time, and in the end I was right, because last week he lost all his capital after 51 months trading in plus. Of course 51 months it's like good results. You see, he made some explanation, but his profit was not 20-30% monthly. He was making few percentages monthly, but the risk every time was very big. I was telling you that every time if you are dealing with this kind of the signals, you need to understand that your profit is limited, but your risk is your full deposit. I saw a lot of the signals like that, and I have exactly understanding for the future that I will trade only with the signals provider, or on my system that I'll make for myself, all my robots will be only with the stop loss. Last month I had also one minus with that guy. In one of my videos I was showing you different type of the system, and I like this system because he was trading with the one instrument for a long time with the wise risk management, and after that, you know what type of this situation happened with these instruments, and I closed a minus with him. But what was the point? I was trading with the small trading volume. So as he is working with, like he was working with 0.20, I was running his account with approximately 10 times less, 0.02, 0.04 like maximum. I closed that signal with approximately minus 20%. Right now he continued to trade and he's still trading in minus. But what he did, as I saw, he cut his trading volume. And how it will looks like right now for people who still subscribe to his channel, because I cancel my subscription. You took the stop losses with the high trading volume, and right now you will start recovering your minus with the small trading volume, and it will take time, you know, it will take long time. Last month I also closed in minus, mostly because of this guy of the cut trader, and also I need to mention then that CNHN also closed this month in minus 10%, but he closed minus 10. But before that, yeah, I need to tell you that, like before that 3 months was in plus, so it's only, he cut only the part of his minus, you know, in comparison to this cut trader. You see, he's like drawdown close like significantly big minus, you see, but he was making 5, 6, 4, and right now in minus 31. The signals that I will use for the next months, and I highly recommend you to use them. So first of all is CNHN. I'll still continue my subscription with that guy because in that month he already recovered his account, not all drawdown from the previous month, but he already in plus 661%. By the way, all those signals that I recommend you, they are using stop losses, you know, so no need to worry about your account. Of course, you might close like your month in minus. It is not meaning that this signals is like fantastic and 100% you close minus. It's diversification, yeah, it's correct, but still there are some possibility of closes months in minus, but at least we able to control our risk. The second one is the nightclub. Yeah, I was trading with him and he's closed September in plus. So if we're talking about these three signals, that I recommend you. September was very difficult month for lots of the people, lots of the robots, traders lose all their money, but here we can see minus 10%. This one, the nightclub, he closed plus 557%. And the third one, this is the night vision, he closed September also in plus 8%. So totally you will be still in plus. My mistake for my own account and some of my clients, that I was giving them this cut trader, because he started trading, he was trading nice. I like this type of the signals. I think that he controlling the risk, but in the end we see situation like that. So yeah guys, I recommend you to use these three signals: night vision, CNHN, and also nightclub. And one very important point that you can see in that situation: never trade without stop loss. The first rule in the trading to save your deposit, and these things, the stop loss, simple thing calling stop loss, will really help you to save your deposit. And from our side, we will try to do our best to provide you some services, some signals that really will help you to generate a profit. So don't forget that you have a chance to use all those signals for free. If you will open an account in my partner broker company, we will connect those signals that will trade in the same time in your account totally for free. I will leave my direct Telegram in the description to this video, so I'm waiting for your messages. See you guys in our next video. Understand one thing: what you can have, what is the benefits that you can have with MQL5 signals, with the algo trading, that you can trade from every place, you know, no need from your side to sit every time and watching your laptop. You're only putting some settings here and you're enjoying of your life. Only one thing that you need to learn: how to deal with statistics and how to deal with your risk. I will try to do my best for the future to make more videos like that and record for you like how you can trade or controlling everything from different point of the world. You know, I was staying in Spain, I was in Prague, I was in Istanbul, and I can easily control everything by having access to my servers. So this is it. It's very like simple, and it's not required for you a lot of your time. And I think you have highly understanding that time is the most important thing that we have, and we need to use it in the right way.